Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Kokoro Asano. Code SONE 127. Released on March 26, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about the guy and his friend's sister. One day, the guy went to his friend's house and he met her sister. Apparently, when they are at the room, the guy wants to do playtime with the girl. Unfortunately, the girl was not on the mood to do it. So the guy got mad. So the next day, the guy visit the girl house again. So when the guy was at his friend's sister room, the guy didn't waste the opportunity. So the guy makes a move. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.